Welcome back to EarsFirst, everybody. Tonight we are here at Chef Mickey's, where we get to see Mickey and the gang. This is a single table service dinner buffet. You may have seen our video from before. It is Chef Mickey's for breakfast. So it's pretty much the same thing, just with dinner food. And you get to see the same characters. And tonight we're actually joined by a friend of mine, Kelsey, and her husband, Adam, and their two little kids. They just flew in, and we decided we're going to come here for dinner, let the kids enjoy everything. And so we'll show you what they have to offer and how much fun this can be. I am still wheelchair bound, so to let you know, this is pretty accessible. I was able to wheel right in, no issues. They do have the photo pass at the beginning. I was able to get a picture taken with that. There's a little statue of Mickey with a chef hat on. They're there with photo pass taking pictures, so highly accessible with the wheelchair, or if you're on crutches, whatever, they'll accommodate you. So, good to go. Alright, so Pamela just brought me my plate. Looks like I have a little bit of mashed potatoes, a pierogi, maybe some grits, some pasta, and ribs. I am still extraordinarily full from Rainforest Cafe today, so this may be a challenge. Luckily, we're not going to be bogged down with appetizers, and I don't have to do dessert if I don't want to tonight, so... And Pamela looks like she got some pork and sauerkraut, some greens, beans, and is that grits? Cheese grits?
It's polenta.
Polenta, okay.
Yeah, it's a bacon salad. It has eggs in it, red onion.
Oh, thank you. She knows me well.
Green beans, this kielbasa and sauerkraut, and then polenta.
Awesome. And Kelsey and everybody's still off getting their plates, so we'll see what all they get and see what the kids like. They got the little party thing going on. They run around waving the towels or your napkins. It's goofy, so it's okay. He's too busy eating mac and cheese. I told you. It's Disney mac and cheese. You can't put it down. I bet you Goofy made the mac and cheese. That's why it's so good.
Kinsey.
Yay!
Thank you.
Thanks, Scoop. Give you a little look at mac and cheese, bread, carved turkey,
Yeah, I'll
green
get a little
beans.
scoop of that next.
Oh, good stuff. Donald came over quick.
Donald did come over quick. You beat Nicky over here. You know why he got here quick? Because Donald's number one.
Adam missed Donald.
Yeah?
Hey Pamela, can you here? There we go. Open it up to that page.
You want a picture with me? Yeah, you probably better. Tell us. Picture with me? Oh, she'll be so jealous. So jealous. Oh, enough.
Thank you. Thanks, Mickey. Dinner was great. All right. Now Kelsey, Miss Mickey.
You better send.
Hey, look, both Kelsey and Adam are here for the characters. Mickey really liked Kinsey's ears too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, I hear fireworks in the background now. So the only one we're waiting for now is Pluto.
Thanks, Minnie. You did a fantastic job on this.
I'm still
Don't eat it. Just go get dessert.
He's like, I think he's like regretting asking for his mac and cheese.
Pamela's going to do a walk around here soon with for the buffet as well. So
The key lime tarts are really good.
are they? Good.
Oh, I got yours.
There we go.
Poor Pluto's nearsighted.
Macaroons, probably.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's really good. Probably later.
I can't believe we're still eating today.
We have snacks.
Pluto!
1, 2, 3, smile. Look at me. All right.
Such a good boy.
So the question is, both Pluto and Goofy are dogs, why is Goofy the only one that talks?
Better question. Why does Pluto not have any long arms?
Very true.